you looking for OEM shoes manufacturer partners? Welcome to our professional OEM shoes manufacturer. We provide you with comprehensive shoe OEM services with exquisite craftsmanship and excellent quality management. Our factory has many years of experience in shoe manufacturing and a skilled team who are familiar with various shoe manufacturing processes. From design to production, every step is strictly controlled to ensure that every pair of shoes meets the highest standards. We use the highest quality materials and combine them with the latest manufacturing technology to ensure that every product meets your quality requirements. Our service is not limited to production, we also provide flexible customization services. Whether you need high-end fashion shoes or comfortable casual shoes, we can provide personalized solutions according to your needs. Our goal is to become a solid support for your brand growth and work together with you to create brilliance. Contact us now, let's work together for mutual benefit and create infinite possibilities.